What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a video on device-to-device identification using Firebase and Swift4 using Firebase SDK and Alamofire. I decided to do this video because I did a lot of research looking for it because I wanted to implement it in my project, but for some reason nobody could come up and tell me. And I asked a few awesome developers that I follow on YouTube, and I checked Stack Overflow, Google, YouTube, multiple searches, and nothing. So I decided to try it on my own, and it's working for my current project right here. So it's good. So I'm assuming that if you're already looking for device-to-device push notification, that means that you already know how to integrate Firebase into your app, how to create a simple view application, and at least to send messages or displays post feeds. So my application, I'm not starting 100% from scratch, but all the notification code, I'm writing it with you. The only thing that I didn't write, that I'm not going to write, is I'll show you how my app looks like right now, the project. If anything, I'll post a link to the project at GitHub so you can download it if you want to play from it from scratch. But this is how my app looks right now. It's very simple UI. If I try to log in, it won't let me. So let me go to Firebase right here. I'll show you. I deleted everything, so we both could start from scratch this part of the video. Register a new user, log in, and then here you go. So basically here you could see the code that I have. I'm doing everything programmatically. So I think it's more fun than doing everything the main story report, but I respect everybody. Everybody have their own way of doing things. So you see, these are just simple things. Here, when you register, you're gonna get the device where you register from. I'm gonna show you how to do that. That's the way that we use to send notification between devices. I don't know if it's the right way, but it's the way that's working for me, so it's fine. When you log in also too, you can see right here, you get in the device ID, just because if you're using your app from a new device, you want to be able to receive notification on the new device. Look at how my app delegate looks right now. And this is my send message function. Same thing. UI text field, a button to send messages, button to log out. Right here, we're gonna use like 3 functions: one to send messages, one to fetch the messages, and one to send the push notification. And that's about it, guys. So, okay, where should we start? Well, let's make sure that you go to device here, you go to capabilities, you turn on your push notification. I could assume you already know how to do that. Also, you already know how to integrate Firebase into your app. This is the Firebase documentation that I use to build the device-to-device push notification. So that's how I play with it. I could imagine you already know how to do this. If you don't, there's plenty of resources for this thing that I'm showing you right now on YouTube. I mean, there's great developers, great guys doing a great job, which I have learned from so much. So you could look into that as well. And this is Alamofire. Documentation very easy. I mean, you could just go for this, and boom, you can install it. So it's simple stuff that I'm assuming you guys already know how to do that if you're looking for device-to-device push notification. So, okay, let's start by the app delegate. Okay, let's import Firebase messaging, and let's import Firebase instance ID. Let's import user notification. Okay. A lot of this code I already have it written down, so I'm just gonna look at it, copy, but I'm gonna write it with you. That way I'll give you a little bit more time, because I know when somebody just copy and paste it, I mean, it goes at such a fast pace. So here I'm gonna probably make a lot of mistakes. Just like it was good, that's how we learn. So let's import the user notification. Notification delegate right here. It's this one right here. Good. Okay, now let's create a couple of variables. Let's do the first one. What should we do? Static. You'll see why. Let's write a capital letter for this. Notification. URL. Before let's leave it to blank right now. Let's do another one. Static. Bar. device ID. This is blank, right? Oh, this is string. Yeah. And then we go static let server key. Just leave it blank for now. I'm going to show you how to use this. So now let's give some space and let's give our device some permission to receive notification. Okay, I'm assuming you already know all this, so I'm just trying to write it with you so I can give you a little bit of time. So available iOS 10.0 is greater than this. Okay, user notification. Dot current dot delegate equal to self. Just delegate this bar. Now user notification center. Dot current dot request. Okay, what are we going to do right here with this request? Okay, let's create an option. Ready? We go in right here. Option. Let's create it. Create an option. Go to authorize user option right here. Is equal to making ready dot alert dash press on. There you go. And this to just go. User go. Okay. Else. Computer's working hard. Let settings. User notification settings. I don't know why we need in there. It's equal to line user settings. Right. Go type dot alert dash dot sound. Boom. This bar and we leave the middle. Blank. Okay, so application dot register user notification settings. Let's give me an error right here. What's going on? Yeah, category. Okay, type alert dash sound category. That's all I have. Oh, I know why. Because type we need it up. This has to be inside parentheses. That's why. I mean, brackets, whatever we call them, those things. Then now go application dot register for remote notification and the URL application dot application dash number. Let's make it to 0. So we have whenever we get a new notification, then it's gonna probably change to 1 or 2, depends on how many you get. Okay. It's hard. Let's run it and see what happens. Because I like to run my projects as I'm working. That way I don't write 300 lines of code, which I mean, this is simple stuff, but it's good to just keep it that way. Okay, you can see it's still working. Okay, let's go. Now, here we're gonna import around 3 functions. Let's check right here. Okay, the first function we should import is the refresh notification, right? It's for new tokens. So, okay, if we type give receive, nope, okay, Where do you receive notification? Well, I'll do it. No, it's not this one, but refresh. And do refresh. Am I importing all the right stuff? Let me see. I don't know what's not working. It's not right. Okay, let me go. Let's see. Token. Let's see. I don't know. It's not giving me the right one. Let's see why. Okay. But I'm using okay. I have everything. Use notification center delegate. Okay. Profile messaging. Okay. Weird. Okay, this is for new token anyway, so let's try to do the other ones and then I'll see what's going on. Let's see. Good. Firebase messaging, Firebase notification. Okay, if I go here, use notification handler, Let me build my project and see what's going on. Copy, let's see. I want to copy and paste this right here. And if I build, okay, yeah. Okay, we're gonna create this function. But okay, this is what I have. I don't know why it's giving it to me. The IDE, but well, you see Firebase messaging. Okay, and here we create a new token and we pass it into the instance ID. Okay. And we know that one, the device ID that we declare here on the top is what we're using it. I mean, you could put it right here as well. I do that sometimes. I just write it here so I know what I'm talking about. So now, let me see. Okay. Let's go and see. Let me try another one because that's what I think this is working now. So user notification. I need the user notification. Center user notification. Did register. Let's see. Okay, we get this two. I don't know why it's not giving me those. Maybe it's giving it to you guys. But okay, let me do something. Copy and paste right here. Let me build, and I don't know why it's not giving it to me. Because it should. It always does. I mean, you see, user notification center. Maybe you could read right here the documentation. So what is this right here, this part? Well, we're making a variable, response notification equals content body. Here, just gonna print, here's gonna print the body of the notification. So basically, if you get a notification and the body is hello, hello world, I'm awesome. So that's what's gonna print. And it's gonna return a completion handler. And the third one we're gonna do is, hopefully this it did, register for remote notification with device token. See, now this one worked. Awesome, I love it like this. So here we could just put parlay refresh token, get token, let's call it token. Okay. Instance ID token house return and app. Now app delegate, we're gonna do app delegate device ID equal to token. Basically what this is doing right here, this is just the device. So basically your device ID is gonna store it in the device ID token. This token is the device ID the Firebase gets for every single device, and we're gonna store it in a variable, and we could just pass it in, so we could just work with it to send push notification. And I'm here, let's make another, okay, this function connect to XM, just to find the channel. So Firebase, open a channel, messaging, dot should start equal to true. So this one right here, put it here, and we also added up here. Remember earlier we had it here and we deleted it. Okay. So this part is built. Okay. Let's run it. Let's see what happens. Now we should see nothing happens. Like I told you guys, I don't have nothing yet here. So if we go to my database, nothing. So we can now sign up for a new user in a little bit. Create a new user and go. Okay, let's go to login. Right here, let me see. From device here, we could use, instead of writing this, we could just write app delegate the device ID. The device ID. So we're gonna store it. We could just copy. Do the same thing. Where is it? Right here. My computer's working hard. Okay. Now, let's see what happens. Let's register a new user. Oh no. For this, we have to use, okay, I'm gonna try it with both ways. So you know, because you need to use a real device. If you use the simulator, it won't work. So here, see that bring this so you know. Let's create a new user set. Gmail.com. Call this awesome password. Okay, check now. Okay, we got a new register user, and okay. But you see, it is empty. Now, okay, let me see. Let's register another user, and then I'll tell you something. Okay, let's connect it to my phone right here. This phone. Let's see what happened. Okay, let's see. No, let's register. I don't know. Right. Let's make this higher. You get to see better. Okay, let's. So then where is it? Here. Okay, how about register? We could just log in. By logging in, like I said, we're just gonna update the device. So then we'll work with the new registration. Click the logins and .com. Password ta-da! You see, this already updated. Now, this is the device. Now, if we go to the app delegate and we decide to print, let's print this token so you guys know. Token, right? When you run it on a real device, it's gonna print some. If you run it on a simulator, it's not gonna give you anything. Okay, one of these things is right here. So there you go. You guys could tell, I mean, all this stuff, you guys already know how to clear it up. So, okay, now, what's next? So we're already done. That's what we have to do in the login controller. So we have set here in the register. When we register a new user, we get the from ID from device. And then here, when somebody log in now, instead of send messages, right? Okay, here what are we going to do? Simple, let's import, let me see, we already have it, import Firebase and Alamofire. You should too. Go install Alamofire if you don't have it, and then get back to this part of the tutorial. Okay, let's start by sending messages. Let's go database, database reference, go child, users, you guys already know how to do this. Then observe, single intent, the value, snapshot. Okay, let's print our snapshot. This is what we get. Okay, so when we go to send the message, oh, I open it in the, if you see here, open in the simulator, but if I go, it's gonna, if you log in, it's gonna send you to this or whatever. If I write something, whatever, it's just gonna type right here, all the information that I need, the email, the from device, which is this. I could tell you already have an idea what we're going to do. So, and I know all these things basic for you guys. If you guys already working with Firebase so deep like that, if not, it's fine. Also, if you guys dictionary. If you guys want me to do any other video, let me know. But hopefully, it's not a video that is not up there. Value. That's a string, not any. House return. Okay. Okay, let's go dictionary, put it for each. So we could get a main key, which is down the user ID. I'm doing it this way because I didn't want to create like an entire system of friends and this and that, which I know you could probably already did it or you will do it. So I'm just doing this so you could have the structure, how to get the user ID, but most important part is when we work with Alamofire, that's when the really important part comes about sending device-to-device notification. But this is basic, at least for some of you guys. I know maybe some of you guys are new to Firebase. I'm new to as well. So let's get cracked. Okay. Now let's get our current ID. Let's start UID, which is our ID equal of the current UID of return. Okay, if key not equal to UID, do the following, right? Let's now look, okay, let's ref, so we could now go into the messages and fetch messages by ID, by user ID. Okay, database, reference, child, messages, child, UID. Okay. Now guard that text. Now write a message. So, message text equal to text text. So what I'm doing right here is this. If we command click and we jump to this is the message, right? So the message that we're passing in and restoring in Firebase. What's going on? Oh, need a self. Need a self right here, yeah, because this is inside the block. No, but this is right here, need a self. Okay, now I'm gonna use it now. So now there's value. Let's create a value to store value equal to. Okay, and then first is message, which equal to message text. Then we create another one, which is from device. And you provide it whatever you want, like to name it like this, and you here with the app. You go back to the app delegate dot device ID. Then you go from ID, which is your user ID, which UID, and to ID. I mean, you could structure this however you want. I'm just doing it like this. Just put key. Okay. Now, if you don't know what key is, okay, let's go here. If I didn't run my code, let me just run it now. Let's start right here, so you know. Okay. Right. Okay. Let me get UID copy because inside the code block. And I'm supposed to run this. Okay, UID, let me see. Oh, I'm missing the semicolons. Right here, I'm gonna finish that. Oh my god, I missed it, my bad guys. I know this thing, sometimes it just has the string or any. Okay. The update value to values. Okay. Now let me print the key. Let me go right here. If let me comment all this because maybe or some of you guys know what's going on, but maybe you guys don't. Let me print key. Let me just print slash cut some space and print values. Okay, let me just go from. Let me just run it on the first one here. There. Okay, let me just go. Now let's create another user now. Let's create one test at gmail.com. And password. Register the user. And then if we type message, you guys can see right here the value, right? Test and it's printing the ID. This is the key, space, this, and then key, space. Should have just write key right here and then value so you guys know, but I mean, you guys are smart enough and you guys figure it out. Okay, so okay, we could try this now. Okay, why don't we try sending a message, right? Let's try again, sending it from the simulator first, and then let's try sending it from a real device. See, run it again, let's write a message. Okay, hello. First message. We send it, boom, we got it. We got from device blank because it's from here, from the simulator, but you can see message to ID, which is who is it for this person right here. Let me see, from ID, well, which is test is sending it to this person. Now, if I send it from the real device, let's run it and see what happens. Okay, that's fine. Good. Okay, let's see. Hello world. Then I should have my phone. We will call it full screen. Like this, I'll be like hello world. Right? So we type in this message because another one, but here you see I have that device ID. Awesome, hello world, and it's from here, this person, sending it to that person. There you go. Awesome. Now, let's keep working. Okay, now, oh yeah, we're almost done. So now let's fetch the message. What should we do here first? Let's say self.fetch message. What I'm doing here is calling this function right here. You can call it whatever you want. I decided to call it like that. And what I'm passing right here is key. I mean, you can name it whatever, but it says key. So it's this key right here, the one that I'm using to ID. This is what I'm passing here. So take a look at it. This key. I'm passing in. This is my to ID, and also I'm passing it to fetch messages. Now, okay, Firebase, the reference, the child users, the child to ID. Right here, to ID. This to ID is the one that we're passing right here, whatever you call it to ID from ID, then observe, single random type, the value, snapshot. Okay, let's print snapshot and see what happens. From now on, I'm gonna be running it in a simulator, so you guys know. Okay, I'm running it. Let's okay. Let's write a message. Or should I write to ID? To ID. What the heck? To ID message. Oh my god, to F. To ID message. See, this is what I got. To ID message, and this is what I passed. So let's print it out. What we got from this person, from device, doesn't say anything, but it's printing the to. So we are sending it to this person right here. To this person right here. Yep. Okay, which is this, so we're good. Now, okay. left from device equal to, oh no, okay, the dictionary, sorry, from device as string. Now they go back and they go to the dictionary. People will be thinking what dictionary is a snapshot. Go value as a string of any. Okay, now we're good. To print here, from device, try it out, and see what happens. Okay, what's going on right here? Oh, I forgot an else. I know what this means. Return. Probably you guys look at me like, look at this dude. This dude is forgot something. Hey, Domi, you forgot that. No, that happens to all of us, you know, especially when you record a video, you're so focused on just making sure that you get the right thing. Okay, so let's print it because we're printing from device. I'll be like, la 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 la. Okay, I'm not getting anything because it's 2ID. And remember that right here, where is it? This device doesn't have anything, and we send it to that device. So I'm gonna run it on my other device. I have two, just for testing purposes. Just run the other one. It's building. Okay, it's connected. Okay, there you go. Let's run this thing. Okay, I'm running on my next device. Now there you go. Let's see what happens now. I said, let's try again. Nope. I know nothing happened. I know why. Device, no, you see, la la la. Because we gotta log it out. We have to log out and log back in. So this is the 3. So we want to use this one. So let's go to test at gmail.com. Same password. You see, we updated right here. So now if we go again, see, it updated again, and what we got here, same thing. Good. Okay. Awesome. So now we have this function right here. I don't know how you want to call it. I call it setup push notification. So you have to use the itself dot setup push setup, and then from device. Right? Okay, this is the part where all the magic happens. Okay, so this is the part. I mean, if you guys go into the Firebase documentation and you see this is the part that we're gonna implement. We're gonna implement. See, yeah, this is the part that we're doing, basically. If I'm not wrong, well, let's get on. And you can also check if your device receives notification just by sending something. Let me see. Hello, YouTube. I know you guys already know how to do this probably. There's a ton of information. Login. Hello, YouTube. Hello, we'll call the body YouTube. And let's see what happens. One device. Sending. And hello, YouTube. Oh my God, man. I should have do this, but should have record my screen, my phone screen. Okay. Oh, I get it on both. Yes, I got doing the other one. Hello. Now, okay, let's do this part first. Let gar let message, yeah, equal to text dot text house return. Okay, let title. This is the notification title. Beeline tech bill dreams. This is the name of the company. Let body. This is the body for the notification. The message. Okay, let to device. Call it whatever you want. I decided to call it this. This equal to from device. Okay, let's create a header now. Not without my talking. Header bar header dot http headers equal to http headers. Okay, what are we going to do with this header right here? Well, do that header is equal to close brackets. Now, what are we going to put here? First of all, let's put content type, right? What type is application slash version. Okay, this is supposed to be inside parentheses. What else do we have here? We should put auto parentheses. Okay, authorization. This is app. Remember we did this at the beginning. Delegate the server key. I'm gonna tell you where to get this key right here. So, and this is supposed to be like this. Okay, key is equal, yeah, slash, and then you have this like this. Where's the other one? Yeah, and it goes like this. Yep, key slash da. Very good, there's some content. Yes, and then close brackets. Okay, get some space. Okay. Alright, notification. Okay, let's build it. Alright. Content additional literal application. Okay, solution. It's supposed to be like this. The one that goes like this, and then this part goes right here, and wonder why. Now there is something. Expected separator. Obviously. Oh, made a couple of mistakes. Now you can see. Oh, good. So if you look at it, I have this right here. I had it written all wrong. I had it like this, and that's why it was giving an error. Then I have to fix it, and this is how it's supposed to go. Good. Now notification is equal to 1. Here's where we create the notification. So who's going to, right? It's going to. Wait. Close brackets. This is going to device. To device ID. Then let's call it notification, right? This is the notification that we're creating. Then I'll open and close bracket again. We're doing good, okay, that's how it goes. So what are we doing here? We already know, body. I'm gonna show you how this is body. We're gonna type body, and then we put title, and title, put title, then dash, right? Put equal to 1, whatever, or however you want to put it incrementally, your choice. I like to put 1, and then sound, then you put default. Here you put default. I mean, you could look for different sound, but this is the one it's built. This is the one that it gets by default. Okay, yeah, fix it as a string. Yeah, if you want, you could just write it as well. See, as string nugget. Oh. You go, same thing. We're building, and we're good. Now, let's go with Alamofire comes in. Alamofire. Okay, requests. Whoa, what happened? Okay. URL method, let's use this. What's the URL? I don't know if you remember the delegate the specification URL that we created at the beginning, which is here in the app delegate. I'm gonna tell you where we get this to as well, where we get them. So I think I showed you where to get a URL, but I'll show you again and where to get a server key. But let's finish, let's go back, finish this, and then we go back to this. And then we do it as URL convertible. That way. Method, we put on post. Parameters, we put on, let's do the post. Hash with TTP method. Yeah. The parameter with notification. And then this one right here, and maybe you call it parameter, whatever. I decided to call it notification. But if you call it parameter, nothing's gonna happen. So encoding, I'll do that. So encoding dot default, and here's the header. We create this, the response. Okay. Yeah. The response. I don't know what we're looking for. That's it. I have nothing here, but you could print response if you want as well. Now, we're about to be done in a couple of minutes. Let me go back here. Okay, here. If you go to Firebase, you go to here, go to project, and you go to cloud messaging. For this, with your server key right here, you can just copy it, and go to the app delegate. You just paste it in here. There you go. Now let's get device notification URL, and we'll be done. So okay, is that right? Is the one? Oh, this one right here. HTTP, FSMN, Google API, right? Yes, you see. And it's very similar to the one. I think playing around, I moved it. So it's very, very similar to this. I think it is based on HTTP, something like that, similar to what you see right now, the one that I have. Even if you type this in Google, you'll find that out. You see, the only thing that is different from this one that I have and the other one is this part. But let me see, should be there somewhere. There's so many things. I don't know, but here if you see this part, we create a authorization key, we pass in the key, content type application, tool, who's going, if you want to set a priority, or then you create your notification, body type, the message, and basically kind of give you here what you're supposed to do. Tells you. So now, okay, let's run this. Let me run it. Let me turn on the volume, my devices, just to see what happens. Okay, which device is gonna run? Okay, I gotta run on both. Okay, I'll open this one. Okay, run on this one. Yes. Okay, let me run on the other one. It has to be on 2 real devices. If it's not gonna work, guys. But it's paying numbers. The simulator, Firebase doesn't work with the simulator getting the device ID. So we have all this. We're good. Okay, let's try first message. Let's see what happened. Here you go. You guys can see it right there. On top, first message. So if I got a notification, okay, let me write replying to first message. I have the app open. Yes. Working. So, okay. There you go. Replying to first message. So there you go, device to device notification, and you guys see you get a little bash right there. So if I open the bash, I'll be like, okie dokie. Have a nice day, guys. There you go, okie dokie. Have a nice day, guys. Well, guys, this is all I have right now. If you guys want me to record any other video, please let me know. Just make sure that it's a video that you're probably having a hard time finding the information. Probably I could help you out. Maybe you could help me out with something. There's tons of resources out there. YouTube, I'm on Stack Overflow. So nothing, guys. Just keep on coding. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, share it, and leave your comments if you need any help with anything. Any question, please let me know. I'll post the code and the link below in the description, so you can just download the entire project and just work for my guy. All right, have a good one. You guys already know.